When somebody is shot, when their family member is shot, when their neighbor is shot, their loved one is killed, they are in a place that is very hard to recover from. So they personally feel oftentimes isolated, misunderstood, angry. It's our job to get them out of that place. In organizing and training community-based facilitators who work with people impacted by gun violence, we have learned lots of lessons from our pilot experience. For one, families very much value. They recognize that this program is core to their recovery. We've had some people that were unable to work, to engage with others until they've gone through these listening sessions. Some people were unable even to leave their house until they've gone to it. So we learned that people respond to this, that they recognize that they appreciate it and they need it in our community. So we have been working with the City of Durham, with community-based resources, primarily a group called Restorative Justice Durham, to organize and fund and eventually operate what's called an Office of Survivor Care that will be a survivor-centric focus, place, a setting, a physical space with all of the different support services that will be needed for families impacted by gun violence.